So today's video I'm showing how to cut toilet bolts so that you can use the threads in the future later on. It's not too, it's very simple. You know, these are, of course are metal bolts, they're brass I believe. And you just want to use a hacksaw. This one I'm using a small short hacksaw. And this is specifically for toilet bolts and it works for other bolts as well. But the trick is to put your nut on and then cut your bolt. With a toilet bolt, a lot of times all you got to do is cut it about in half, and then you can break off the end that's left. But by putting the bolt on first, when you undo the threads, that'll straighten out the threads so that you can put another bolt on or the same bolt on next time. And that's the trick to preserving the threads or making the threads good when you need to cut a bolt shorter. This is again especially useful for toilet bolts, as these have a cover that goes on and you want that to be able to hide the yuckiness of the toilet bolt. Lots of you probably know this one already. This is for those that don't, and just a nice simple easy one today on how you can cut toilet bolts and preserve the threads or use the threads in the future. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Over now.